Hi, what's up friends? Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from the Xtutorials.
Hi guys, in this video I will teach you friends how to download PS Touch in your Android phone for free. So let's get started. First you have to open the app UC browser, which is down below here. After you open this app, you have to type aptoide apk. This link will be given in the description below. So after you type apk and search it, the first option you will see, you have to click on it and this page will appear. What you have to do is simply click on the download button, the green button you can see. When you click on it, this page will appear and you have to download it. So it is downloading guys, the aptoide apk, and once it is fully downloaded, speeding up. Yeah, so now it's downloaded and you have to click on install button and install it. And here it is guys, it is installed and you have to open it. Once you open the app, the aptoide will open and have to go on the search button and simply type PS Touch. And here it is guys, the very first option. You have to click on it and simply press install button. It will look like this when you scroll down, exactly like this. And allow. So here it is, the app is downloading. And here it is, the PS Touch. Once you open it, it will look like this. So guys, thank you for watching.